This is little Isabel. Isabel, turn around and say hi.
Hi.
We're talking about they're chopping wood for our fire. We're trying to make a fire with some, unfortunately, wet ingredients. But this is how we have fun when we're not cleaning rugs and upholstery and drapery and carpeting. It's our neighbors, nice people. And in the great mountains of Maine.
Not helping, Doug.
You can do it. Go ahead, Isabel. Oh, push, push.
Yeah.
Maybe try a thinner piece. Use leverage.
Did I get any?
We'll get more adventures coming up. But right now, Isabel's chopping the wood for our fire pit. Very cool. There she is. Isabel!
1 minute.
There she goes. She's trying to get off her race.
Oh no. Ah!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Want to try again?
Yeah.
All right. I'll shut the video. You try again. Good job, Izzy.
Astounding headquarters, stuffed full of rabbits, all celebrating my interplanetary exploits. Oh, this takes me back.
What are we gonna do?
Hey, girls.
Just stay here.
Say, we're going back to reality soon, but watch a movie first.
We're going back to reality soon, but we're watching this movie first.
And what's the name of this movie?
Captain Underpants.
So adorable. Well, a hero's work is never done. Now it is time to